Hello viewers, hello Zambia, and hello world. Let's talk about UniPod programming. My name is Marshall Hamanzi from the Communication Department at Mukuba UniPod, and in this video we want to address UniPod programming. I believe by now you have already watched the Mukuba UniPod virtual tour video, or maybe you have visited the Mukuba UniPod in person. But in case you haven't, we've got you covered. We have a link in the description right below, so just click there and you can watch the virtual tour video. So after being exposed to the Mukuba UniPod and what we do, the question we've been receiving from most people out there is, how do I become part of this, or how do I take part in one of these programs? And this video is here to answer just that. But before I get into that, allow me to make mention to say the Mukuba UniPod is an innovation and technology hub. That means all the programs that take place in this place are innovation driven. We do have a lot of programs that are hosted and are held by the Mukuba UniPod. We have programs such as hackathons that take place for a maximum of 2 days. We have programs such as boot camps that take place for a maximum of 5 days or more, and we have residency programs, we have incubation programs, we also have virtual online sessions and training sessions that take place. Now, coming to the bigger question, how do you take part, or how do you get involved? So here is the roadmap. Step 1, follow us on our social media platforms. Now, why am I saying you should follow us? Every event that the Mukuba UniPod holds or hosts, we always post on our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on X, on TikTok, and we also have a YouTube channel. So the reason you should follow us on our social media platforms is because for every program that's coming ahead, the first thing we do is post to let the public know that there is this program that is coming ahead. The next step is to apply. So the next thing we do after we have advertised and let the people know that there is this program that is coming ahead, we post now to let the people know how they can apply. Mostly we use Microsoft Office, Microsoft Teams, and online platforms for application. So once you have followed us, you'll be able to see the post that lets you know how you can apply. Now after you have applied, the next step is to wait for the response. So after the application window period has been closed, Mukuba UniPod has a team that sits to evaluate all the applications and does the selection process. The next stage is to send the feedback to the people, or rather to the applicants. We send responses both to those that have qualified and to those that haven't qualified. The next stage, step 4 and 5, are for those that qualify. Because for those that have qualified in the application, we do now let them know how they can prepare. The fourth step is preparation to those that have qualified. We let them know how they should prepare for the program that they are coming to do at the Mukuba UniPod. The fifth stage is for the applicants that qualified to report to the Mukuba UniPod for the program that they applied for, the actual dates and the time that has been stipulated. Now, here is the tip. Like I said in the beginning, Mukuba UniPod is an innovation space. So the best way you're going to stand a higher chance of taking part is if you are working on an innovation. Do you have something that you're working on? Now, I don't mean you have to be a professional in the innovation space. No. Even if your innovation is still at ideation stage, the Mukuba UniPod welcomes all those, because all the applications that you're going to do for this space, there is always going to be a section that asks you to tell us about the innovation you're working on, give a brief description, and even mention the stage at which your innovation is. So it will be best if you are already working on something like an innovation, you will stand a higher chance. But that's also not a guarantee that you will definitely get it. It's just something that puts you in a higher position, or it helps you to stand a higher chance in taking part in this program. So if you have an innovation that you're working on, whether it's still at ideation stage, that is a very good start, because the Mukuba UniPod is there to even train you and help you elevate your innovation all the way to the prototype stage and further stages that are coming up ahead. So there you have it. That is the roadmap that we have as Mukuba UniPod. Please follow us on all our social media platforms so that you may be updated whenever we post something, and you will know exactly how to move from this stage to the next stage. That is the roadmap. For everything that happens here, there is always advertising. We let the people know. There is always a post to let the people know how they can apply. After they apply, there's always selection. After selection, there's always response. Feedback is given. After feedback is given to the people that have qualified, we let them know how they can prepare and what they should prepare. After they have prepared, they come here for the program that they applied for. And to those that do not qualify, once you have applied, please do not lose hope. Try again next time. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like and share. And if you still need more clarity, or you have any other further questions that you would like to ask, please drop us an email on unipodcoms@gmail.com and we will respond to you. The link has also been left in the description below. For those that would like to visit the Mukuba UniPod and want to be given a physical tour, please feel free to visit us. We are located at the Copperbelt University, right behind Nohead Lecture Theatre at the School of Natural Resources. So please do visit us, and there will be someone who is going to give you a tour. You can visit us on any of the weekdays from Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Keep ideating, innovating, and creating.